I just received my Veggetti vegetable spiralizer, and it came with the spiralizer and a booklet that has safety information and a few recipes as well. And this spiralizer comes apart here. This part here is used to put at the end of your vegetables when you're getting close to the inside so that you don't cut your fingers. So let's see what this thing does. Here I'm starting with the thicker side of the spiralizer, and you can see what it does to the zucchini, but this is what the spirals look like. They look kind of like fettuccine. And so now I'm going to flip this over and see what the thinner side is doing. And here you can see the difference between the two. The thinner side is more like spaghetti, the thicker is more like fettuccine. I decided to go ahead and finish this on the larger fettuccine size. And I came down to the end of my zucchini. And so here you see me using the the little safety handle so that you could get the rest of the zucchini all the way spiralized. And once I'm done with that, you can see that